Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone runs Android 14 and noting the exact build. That matters for file system behavior. Once done, back up any files you cannot lose to Google Drive or a USB copy so you can experiment safely. Next, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This gives you access to ADB. Connect the device to your PC with a cable, accept the debug prompt on the phone, and verify ADB recognizes the device before proceeding. You now diagnose the specific cause. Run a DB shell LSL on the target folder to inspect owner and permission bits. If the folder is owned by system or another UID, obtain root access or use runas for the app, and apply chown and chmod to restore readable and writable flags. Be cautious with recursive flags. If Android scoped storage or media store sandbox blocks access, reset media storage permissions, clear the file's app cache, and re-grant access via the storage access framework. Finish by remounting and restarting. A DB reboot, then confirm mounts with a DB shell mount to ensure changes took effect. Once the phone is back, re-grant the app its storage permission, or use the storage access framework to pick the folder explicitly so Android issues the proper URI grants. If you still can't use this folder, check for OEM-managed restrictions or third-party security apps. As a final troubleshooting step, export data and perform a factory reset only if all other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.